So lovely students, let's start with the compound interest, part 7 of this chapter, class 8 and subject maths. Now compound interest, the amount formula is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So P already you know what is P? Principal. R is rate of interest. Raised to N, that means number of years, right? And here you will get directly amount. So for finding CI or compound interest, you need to subtract the principal from the amount. Let's find first question where principal is 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 5% for the 2 years compound interest. So compound interest is the interest counted on the interest. Previously counted interest plus principal, right? So first of all, that formula is amount is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N, right? So here P is 10,000, 1 plus R is 5% upon 100 raised to N, that is 2 years. So you know that there is nothing below 1, right? I need to take an LCM, 100 ones are 100 plus 5, that is 105. So 10,000 into 105 upon 100. I took the LCM. 100 ones are 100 plus 5, that is 105 upon 100 raised to 2. Correct? So what I'll do is, don't need to multiply with 2. You have to square it, right? We have done in squares and square roots. Right? So 2 zeros got cancelled. Here also 2 0 got cancelled. So what is left? 105 into 105. Right? So this is 105 square. I know the trick. 5 ka square is 25 and 10 into 11. That is 110. But let's figure it out. You just figure it out. That 105 into 105, what is the answer? If it is 11,025, so my amount is this. I use the trick 11,025. So this is the amount. This is find the compound interest that person has received. So compound interest is amount minus principal, that is 11,025 minus 10,000. So what you get? Minus 10,000. That is 1,025 rupee of compound interest that person is receiving on 10,000 when put on the rate of interest as 5% for the 2 years. Isn't it so easy, right? Just you should remember the formula and you should get the answer, like amount you get and then subtract amount and principal, you get the compound interest. Now this compound interest formula is generally used with the depreciation and the increment. Like you might have heard that depreciation, every year the price decrease by certain percentage. Every year price increase by certain percentage. Suppose if I say every year house rent will be increased by 10%, right? So in that you can also use this compound interest, or the value of car decrease 5% every year. So you can also use this example or this kind of formula. Let's see one example based on this. So what have here for me? Rima purchased scooter for 50,000. So what is the P here? First extract all the things here. Principal is 50,000. If the cost of scooter depreciating, that is decrease it at the rate of 10%. So 10% depreciation, that is depreciation, right? And calculate its value after 3 years. So time is 3 years. So there is a scooter whose cost price is actually 50,000. Rate of depreciation, that is every year the price of that scooter decreases 10%. So find the price after 3 years. So similarly, I'll put the formula of compound interest here, P into 1. Now here I'll do minus. Why? Because it is a depreciation. Prices decrease, not increase. If it is increment, I'll use plus. As it is decrease, I'll use the subtraction side, right? minus r upon 100 raised to n. So my P is 50,000. 1 minus rate of interest is 10 upon 100 raised to n is 3 for 3 years, right? So again I'll have the LCM here, 50,000. 100 minus 10 upon 100 raised to 3. So 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 upon 100 raised to 3. 1 0 got cancelled, right? So what is left? 50,000 into 9 upon 10 cube. That means 9 3 times upon 10 3 times. So 3 0 got cancelled. 1 2 3, right? So now what is left? 50 into 9 cube. I know the cube of 9 is 729. I'll just confirm once. 81 9s are. Yes, it is right. I remembered it. 9 cube is 729, right? And 729 5s are, let me do. 9 5s are 45. 5 2s are 10. Plus 4 is 14. 7 5s are 35. Plus 1 is 36. 3 6 4 5 and 0, right? Because I need to put the 0. So the price of scooter is 36,450 rupees after 3 years if it faced the depreciation of 10%. Got it? The price of scooter was 50,000, but every year consequently its price decreases by 10%. So you don't need to find 10% again and again and then you subtract, make a new principal. Simply use compound interest formula and you will get the depreciative values just after that. So isn't it so easy? So if it is a gain increment, a person or a salary increase every year 12%. So you will put plus here. Correct? Every year 12%. So plus 12 and the same formula. If something decreases, value decreases, market price decreases, you will put the subtraction formula. Fine? Right? I hope you have understood this.